Tired of logging in again and again just to use ChatGPT? What if I told you there's a website where you can chat with ChatGPT, Claude, even Google Gemini, all for free and without any sign up? Hey there, welcome to AI Daily Lab, the channel where I show you powerful AI tools that save time, boost productivity, and require zero tech skills. Today's tool is po.com by Quora. Just open your browser and go to po.com and boom, you're in. No login required. It works on both desktop and mobile. Here's the best part. You can choose from multiple bots. Want ChatGPT? Click it. Prefer Claude or Google Gemini? They're just one tap away. Let's try it. I'll ask Claude, what's a quick and healthy lunch idea? And look at that, it gives a perfect answer in seconds. This is ideal if you need fast AI help without passwords or hassle. So next time you need smart answers fast, head to po.com and start chatting instantly. And if you want more time-saving AI tools like this, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell.